angle made on any other point on the perimeter on the other side. Don't pick up a point here below. You have to pick point above. If this is a point, this is your angle on the center. This angle, any angle that you pick up, any point that you pick up on the perimeter, this angle will be half of this angle. Okay? Are you guys with me so far? Gitesh, Lakshita?
Yes, sir.
Somebody is putting a thumbs down, so I'm curious. Is it for no doubt or you are not with me?
No doubt.
No doubt. Now, from this one, what all we can find? So that theorem that we talked about, that this chord is making some angle here. This angle will be 2 times the angle made on any point on the perimeter. So this angle is how much? Half of this, that will be 80 degrees. Yeah. Now, I'm just trying to get to this angle, okay, which we haven't got yet. I'm trying to find that out. If this angle is 80 degree, how much is this angle? 10 degree. Because this is, see, if you look at this is a triangle, right angle triangle. This is 90 degree because I have drawn a perpendicular. So this is 90 degree, this is 80 degree. So this is 10 degrees. So this angle is 10 degrees. Yep. Yeah.
Would that also work for if the total is 180? If 90, 80, 170, 180 minus 170, 10, that's how you found it?
Yeah. Sum of all the angles of a triangle will be 180 degree only, no matter from where we have got the triangle. So this triangle when I am looking at, this is my perpendicular line. So this triangle is actually a right angle triangle. And this angle we got 80 degree, this is 90 degree because it's perpendicular. So this angle is 10 degrees. We know this angle, we haven't figured out this angle yet. Correct? So up to this much clear, right? You guys found out this angle, 10 degrees, this is 80 degrees. Now the question is how much is this angle? That is what we are trying to figure out. Okay? Now, what will I do? I will join these two. Okay? So this becomes what? This is an isosceles triangle. Yeah? Because this is radius, this is radius. This is going above everybody's head, it seems. I see different expressions. No? Okay. So I'm trying to find out what is the value of this angle first, so that I can apply it here. Okay? It is looking messy actually. Let me make it a little clear. This is my circle. These 2 points are making 160 degree here. I picked up a point here. This angle is 80 degree because this is half of this, and my other point is, this is perpendicular, A, B, C, O, D. So this angle is 80 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 10 degree. What we don't know is this part. Yeah? I'm just trying to think if there is a way to find out this angle. I said this is 12 centimeter. leave that question. This is a little too complicated. Okay, I have to, if I have to solve it, I have to break it into multiple pieces. It might be little overloaded for you guys, but um, let's pause this one. Okay, I'll send you guys a solution for this one separately, because yeah, Dikshita, you're saying something. This needs little more information, because what is happening here is, yeah, Pranav.
So, sir, then what's the arc?
The arc is fine. Arc, I told you, this is 160 degree, right? So it will be 160 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r into r is 12. Okay? Yeah, Dikshita. So from this you can calculate 160 by 360 multiplied by 2 pi into r. R is my radius 12 centimeter. So this part you can find out. That's straightforward. So this, let me solve it also. 12 3 is 36, 16 2 is 32. 32 divided by 3 pi. So 32 by 3 pi is 32 by 3 into 22 by 7. So it'll be like 32 into some, no, a little bit more. So it will be like somewhere around 33, okay? 33 point something. So whoever got 33.51, right? That would be the right answer. So this is fine. Here I'm thinking that probably we had little less information to find out this angle, because we don't know this part of the angle. I can find it out by breaking down further, but that will be a little too complicated for you guys to worry about, because we don't have any information about this point. This point could be anywhere actually. So then finding out this angle would not be easy. Yeah, no. So I think this is not complete information, but coming back to the point, what I was trying to do here was that if I have this angle given here, probably this had little incomplete information for finding that particular angle that I was asking you guys to find out. If I would have told, if I had to test you guys with this concept, I could have asked you guys to find out this angle. That would have been enough. Because my idea was to find out how do you use this theorem to find this angle, and then correspondingly you find this angle. So if I would have asked you this angle, that was easy. This angle is difficult, because right now what we don't know is the relationship between this side and this side, okay? Because unless I know these two sides, I would not be able to determine this angle total, and then finding out the corresponding angle would be difficult. So let me tweak the question a little bit, and then probably just to check, let me give you a little easier questions. Okay, now let's so everybody remember this, okay? If I have a circle, if I pick any 2 points on the perimeter, the angle that it makes on the center is called center angle, okay? Center angle, and this angle is 2 times the angle it makes anywhere else. So pick up this point, join these two, pick up this point, join these two. This angle will be half of this angle. This angle will be half of this angle. This angle will be half of this angle. Okay? This part is clear, right? Okay. Now, yeah, somebody saying something. Dikshita, was it you?
Yeah, you said yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now, okay. Tell me the value of this angle. This is my circle and this is my diameter. I want to know what is the value of this angle.
Wait, so is that the circle and diameter? What's the diameter?
I said this is my diameter, meaning this point, these 2 points are going to the center. Okay.
What's the 22?
This is not 22. This is a question mark. Let me. I want to know what is the value of this angle. Yep, yeah, Vishal.
90 degrees.
Okay. Anybody else having a different point of view?
Wait, did you give us the diameter?
This is a diameter. Yeah.
Yeah, what's the diameter?
I don't know.
Oh, you're asking diameter or angle?
No, I'm not asking diameter. I'm saying this is my circle and this is my diameter. I want to know what is the value of this angle. That's it.
That's 90.
Yeah, 90.
90.
90.
Yep. Everybody agrees?
Yeah.
Gitesh, you agree? No, I'm asking Gitesh because again, I'm just trying to make sure that he's able to relate. See, this is like when we talked about any 2 points, right? Making central angle on the center. Here in this case, these 2 points are literally the diameter, which is just making a straight line, meaning this angle is 180 degree. So the angle made on the center is 180 degree. It will be half of it. Yeah. Alright. Now, so this is other. So the first one that we saw, that any 2 point the perimeter, the angle that it makes is called center angle, and you pick up any point here and join them. This angle is half of this angle. So this is one of the circle theorems. This is something that you guys will learn. Okay. So you guys have learned it ahead of time. So you already know what is the circle theorem. Now, this is another circle theorem which says a diameter of the circle makes 90 degree. So these are related actually, nothing different. So you guys have learned 2 circle theorems. Okay. Now, I'll just show you guys one more problem and tell me if you can. I have 3 points on the circle. I join them all and I have drawn a tangent. Does everybody know what is a tangent? It's like this is my center and this is a perpendicular line on the center. So basically on this radius, whichever point you pick up, if I pick this point, if I say I want to draw a tangent, that means you join these 2 points and then draw perpendicular. So basically this angle is 90 degree. Okay. So it has become so dirty now, let me clean it up. So if I have a circle like this and I have 3 points on the circle, if I join them and draw a tangent here, okay, this angle is equal to this angle. Do you know why or how? Any guesses?
What were you saying again?
I'm saying I have a circle. I have taken any 3 points, okay, A, B, C, okay, and then this point B, on the point B, I have drawn a tangent, meaning tangent is nothing but if you join the center with that point, this is perpendicular, this is 90 degree, okay. So I'm saying, so this tangent, okay, is making this angle with this chord, okay. I'm saying this angle is equal to this angle. This is one of the theorems, but this is related to what we have already done. So this will be one of the assignments for you guys. I want you guys to use what you know to solve this. This will be one of the assignments, okay. Let me just give you guys the clue, okay. This is the center. I will join this one and this one, okay. This is O. I will join this point and this point, and then you can see that theorem that, right, this angle will be double of this angle, and we'll somehow find out that this angle is also half of this angle, okay. That's a clue. We will try using this information for solving this. So there are only 2 things, okay. One is the first theorem that we have learned, the angle made on the center is double of any angle on anywhere else on the perimeter, and then sum of all the 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. These are the only 2 things that we have to apply to be able to prove that. Our goal is to prove this angle is equal to this angle. And there is nothing else given to you. Okay? There is no other clue. Okay? If you guys can prove this one, then that means whatever we have learned with the circle properties, we can use that. Now I see a lot of smiles on the face. I know it might be out of confusion also, and that is possible. But we will, I mean, whenever you get 5 minutes, okay, 5 or 10 minutes, just look at this picture. I'm just saying simple. Again, I'm repeating myself, okay? This is my circle. I have picked 3 points, join them. So these are like 3 cards, okay, A, B, C. And on any point, I'm drawing a tangent and saying that this tangent is making angle with one of the card. This angle is equal to this angle. This is what we have to prove. How is what we will figure out in the next class, okay? For now, just look at this picture, keep this picture in your mind so that when we come to the class and when we try proving it, we are able to do it. Yeah? Yes, Angri.
Wait, is this our only homework assignment?
What is that?
Is this our only homework assignment?
No, so this is what we will see. I just told you guys, this is what I want you guys to kind of look through and digest, so that in the class tomorrow we will try figuring out how it is. How is that possible, okay? And then obviously you guys will get more homework. This is homework for today, just to digest this picture and keep that in mind, okay? Alright? You guys have to deal with a little difficult problem, and that problem was not easy to solve. One part of the problem was easy to solve. Second part of the problem is that needs little more information. That was not complete information, I believe. But when you guys struggle with that, and when I also struggle with that while trying to solve it, at least it helped us to do a recap of what we already know. So my biggest takeaway from this is, whenever you have a problem to solve, try solving it. Try breaking your head with that, because that's the only way you will learn. It's not that every problem that you pick up you'll be able to solve without many mistakes. But trying to solve it is what keeps you in touch with what you're supposed to to be aware of. Yeah? Are we all good?
Yes, sir.
Tired?
Yes, sir.
Tired? Exhausted? With too much of
Yeah.
maths? Okay, let's meet tomorrow and then we'll try solving it.